Okay, students, now proceeding to the second point. First point being explained in the first slide. Now, second point says human resource planning is done to achieve the optimum use of human resources and to have the correct number and type of employees needed to meet organizational goals. Now here, student, I would like to emphasize upon the word optimum. Now optimum has a very important meaning associated over here, because in business, conducting business, organization have to ensure there is optimum use of all resources, so as human resources also, right? So optimum means, it doesn't mean neither maximum nor minimum. It means exactly the required amount of people as required should be present in an organization. Because if there is a overstaffing, that is also a burden. And if there is a understaffing, that is required number of people are less, then also the organization will suffer. Their production facility, their operational facility will suffer. So in any case, we don't talk about the minimum maximum, we talk about optimum. That is, the required number of people should be present at all times within the ambit of the operation of human resources in a organization, right? And to have the correct number, this is also, as I explained, is related to optimum. Neither minimum maximum, but the exact required number of people should always be readily available. And for this, we need to plan, and here comes the concept of human resource planning. So you will see in students that human resource planning is one of the most crucial and essential element of organizational functioning, because whatever you may talk, human resources are going to work, and if their number or quantity is incorrect, naturally it will definitely have a bearing on the functioning of the organization. So here lies these two concepts of optimum and correct number, and the type of employee, whether clerical people are required, whether officer people are required, whether marketing people are required, finance people are required. So type of employee is needed. That is also very important. Not only the correct number, but also the type of employment needed to meet organizational goals. Of course, every organization has certain goals to be met within a short span of time, within a long span of time. So these concepts are totally depending upon how you plan your human resources. Coming to the sex, that is, human resource planning is the process of systematically reviewing human resource requirement, that is, how many needed, to ensure that the required number of employees, as the second point said, the correct number of employees with the required skills. Now here, the other point, it was saying type of employees. Now it is saying the required number of skills. Let's say within a finance department, there is somebody who is working on payroll. There is somebody working on budget. So now these are certain key skills required in a same finance department. So required skills of workers as needed by the organization is very essential, and they should be fulfilled by the adequate human resource planning. Then it is saying required skills are available when and where they are needed. That is to provide the people in required number along with the required skills wherever in the organization they are required to be put in. So these 3 points, these are the basic aspects of human resource planning which I have explained, right? I hope you have understood. Further will follow.